How to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Hey everyone, this is Rose, and I'm here to guide you on how to delete Instagram chat from both sides permanently. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Now tap on the messenger icon at top right corner to access your messages chats. Open any particular chat and suppose this is the chat I have sent to this user. In order to delete this from the both sides, you need to tap and hold the particular message, tap on Unsend button and here tap on Unsend. Now this message will be deleted from both sides to that user and me as well. So, in this way, we can easily delete Instagram messages or chat from both sides permanently. Hope so this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.